In the middle of the whispering canopy, where books grew like leaves and letters floated in the air, lived Piper the Parrot. Piper loved words more than shiny things. Every morning, he perched on a reading vine and listened as the jungle softly spoke stories. But today, the air felt quiet. Piper tilted his head, his bright eyes curious and gentle, wondering where the words had gone. Suddenly, a hush fell across the canopy. The floating letters faded, and the story leaves drooped. Piper fluttered nervously. Without words, the jungle felt lonely. A small book beetle buzzed by and whispered, "The words are lost." Shadows stretched, and the wind rustled with worry. Piper felt a tiny fear, but also a brave spark in his heart. Piper flew beyond the canopy to the valley of echoing sounds. There were humming streams and stepping stones shaped like commas. Piper listened carefully, repeating kind words he remembered. "Please," "Thank you," "Friend." Each word glowed as he spoke it. Friendly sound sprites danced around him, guiding him forward with musical chimes. At the valley's center stood a quiet stone fountain. Piper realized the words weren't lost. They were forgotten. He spoke softly and kindly into the fountain. One by one, glowing words rose like fireflies. The fountain shimmered, warm light spreading. Piper felt proud and peaceful as the words returned to the world. Back in the whispering canopy, stories bloomed again. The jungle whispered happily as Piper rested on his vine. He understood that words matter most when shared with kindness. As the sun set, Piper tucked his beak under his wing, ready for sleep, knowing gentle words can always bring light back. Moral of the story: kind and thoughtful words can bring comfort, connection, and light to the world.